Vine looked at Mrs. John and said, Mom, I know what you are trying to say, but Jungkook himself selected this way. His behavior was getting out of control for me, and what had happened 2 months before, he crossed all limits. Mrs. John nodded and said, I know Vine, but I know one more thing, and that is he is regretting it badly. He has decided not to give up on this. His aim is now to get your forgiveness. He wants you to come back. Look, Vine, I know it's your life, but he is also the part of your life. I will not force you, but it's my request to give him another chance, please. Vine looked at Mrs. John with no expression. Mrs. John, I'm not saying to forget all this. In fact, I'm asking you to make him regret more. But when you understand that he is regretting his action and is changing himself, then I'm asking to give him a chance. I can see him changing, Vine. Look, he is all around you every time. He doesn't remember anything except you. I hope you will consider my words, daughter. Mrs. John was done singing. Vine was thinking on her words. It's been 2 months and Jungkook was not giving up. He was coming at her doorsteps always, and now he is even living outside the house in his car. But Vine was still not over with what had happened. Mrs. John stood up to leave, and just when she left the house, Jungkook came inside and shut the door. Vine looked at him shocked, but she became more shocked when she saw Jungkook sitting on his knees in front of her, and he said, Listen to me, Vine. Look, I am extremely sorry for what had happened that before. I am regretting it badly and I am ready to accept any punishment which you want to give me, but please come back home with me. Don't get separate from me. I was fool who didn't know your importance, but now I am understanding everything and I promise I will never repeat this and I am sure you see all this change in me. Jungkook pulled Vine's hand and she saw that his eyes were moistened. Jungkook, please try to understand me. Just give me another chance and I promise I will make it up to you. Jungkook was waiting for Vine to say something, but she didn't say anything and took her hand back slowly, crushing all his hopes. Jungkook slowly stood up and looked at her in his eyes and said, Fine, if you haven't considered it yet, then I will still wait for you outside. I hope one day you will believe in me. Saying that, he turned around and left, and just as he left, a tear dropped from her eyes, and she said to herself, Why are you doing this, Jungkook? Why are you making me confused? She was confused and now she was trying to make a decision which was so hard for her. She decided to give herself one more time, and just like that, one more month was passed, but nothing changed. Jungkook was still outside daily waiting for her, trying his best to win her heart, and she was seeing how he was spending his full day outside her house. He visited her more than 5 times a day. After 3 months, Vine decided to make a decision, and she was sure about it. Vine came out of the house while holding her bag. She looked here and there and stopped Jungkook's car. Jungkook looked at her, who came outside holding a bag. He frowned and came out of the car and went near her, taking big steps. Jungkook, Vine, where are you going at this late? Vine didn't say anything and just rolled her eyes. Jungkook's mind clicked and he said, No, no, please don't go anywhere, Vine. Where are you leaving this place now? Are you that much irritated from me? Don't go anywhere else, please. Jungkook stopped when he saw Vine going away. He followed her. Jungkook, Vine, where are you going? But he stopped because, to his surprise, Vine put her bag in his car back seat and she went at front and sat beside the driving seat. Jungkook was still outside. He was looking at her shocked, but then he came to know that she was going home with him. He smiled and, being excited, he went towards the car and sat on the driving seat. He looked beside her and saw Vine, who was looking at front expressionless. He knew she is not in a mood to talk, so he drove towards the house. Looks like he got successful in taking her back, but what about their relation? Coming out of the car, Vine went inside the house, leaving Jungkook. She was going towards the room when Jungkook approached her and said, "Our room is not that side, Vine." Vine looked at him and smirked slightly, which got noticed by him, making him confused. "Vine, if you think we are sharing the room, then you are going in a wrong direction, Jungkook. Let me make myself clear. I came over here because of mom. She said that you are changing, and I have seen some changing in you, and I have decided to give you another chance, but you have to prove that those changes are for real. They won't fade away by me being here in house." And until I am satisfied, we will live separate. And during all that, if you feel that you still regret, then you can tell me clearly. I will leave from here. And if I felt that your changing was just for show off, then I myself will leave without even telling anyone. And this time you won't be able to find me. Vine stopped and waited for his response. Jungkook smiled through eyes and said, "Never knew that Vine I know was that strong and hard to crack, but I am okay with all this and I promise I will prove myself. I have waited 3 months and I am ready to wait for a lifetime because I will never let myself lose a wife like you." Next day, Vine came inside the kitchen to make breakfast, but she saw Jungkook already there making a mess in whole kitchen. "Jungkook, good morning," he said with a bright smile, and Vine deep down became happy because that's what she wanted from day one of her marriage, that her husband greeting her happily. But she didn't reply back and came forward and said, "What are you doing?" "Jungkook, well, I'm preparing breakfast for my wife because I know she is getting late for her university." Vine frowned and said, "Don't you have any problem with me going university?" "Jungkook, why would I have? In fact, it's good you have decided to continue it. I would be happy if you continue it and then find a job for yourself." Vine was satisfied, but, "Well, never mind. I would have continued it, you like it or not," she said, making him chuckle, and he nodded. Jungkook served the breakfast, and all time he was talking to her, and she was only replying him, but she was only nodding and sometimes ignoring. At evening, Vine came back from the university and she saw Jungkook sitting on couch. When Jungkook saw her, he closed his laptop and smiled while greeting her and said, "You came. How was your day?" Vine sat on the couch and nodded while saying, "As usual. Why don't you went to office?" "Jungkook, I have taken a leave so that I can spend some time with my wife." "Fine, you don't have to do that, Jungkook. I didn't mean that. You can continue your work." Jungkook, no, Vine. If you think that I am doing this because of all that, then no, I'm doing this because now I know the difference. I should have done it before. I should have known to separate my office life and with married life, but now I will do that. So don't worry, I'm not doing any lost work. Vine nodded her head and deep down she was happy that he was understanding everything now. She didn't show it on her face. She stood up from the couch and said, while going towards the kitchen, but stopped. Jungkook, no need for that. I have already prepared the dinner. Vine looked at him and he was also looking at her. Jungkook, I knew you will come late and you will be tired and I was at home so I did that. Vine didn't say anything but she was impressed that he was caring for her. She went inside the room leaving him behind and he smiled. Jungkook, I don't know if this is working or not, Vine, but I promise I will try my best to make it up to you. Just like that whole 1 month was passed and things were slowly working out between them. Pine saw that Jungkook was right and he had changed now. He was showing it with his actions and she was getting impressed and comfortable with him. He'd take her out 2 times a week. He joined his office but he came back home and on time and spent the rest day with her. There was no ignorance. In fact, now he was handling her ignorance, which was changing gradually and deep down he himself knew that things were working out. Jungkook dragged Vine out of the house, holding her hand. Vine, Jungkook, what are you doing? It's 12:15 at night. Where are she? Stopped when Jungkook took her outside the living area. He left her hand and she looked at her surrounding. There was a simple decoration with some snacks and drinks, but there was a cake present at table. She went close and saw there was written Happy Birthday. She turned around, but she was shocked when she saw Jungkook sitting on his knee. Vine, Jungkook, what are you doing? Jungkook, fine, today is your birthday and I should be the one giving present to you, but I'm asking for a present from you. One, I'm sorry for what I did before. I'm extremely sorry for misbehaving, shouting, and calling our marriage a regret. But trust me, this marriage is the best thing happened to me because you made me a real person which was hiding inside me. You told me and took me to the right path. Please, I'm sorry for what I did. Accept my apology and spend your life with me happily. I want you to be happy with me. Vine smiled at him lightly and held his shoulder and made him stood up. He was waiting for her to say something and Vine held his hand and finally said, I forgive you for what you did, Jungkook, because you have shown your efforts that you have changed yourself and that's a positive change. I am happy that finally you understood this. Jungkook smiled and hugged her, being excited. Jungkook, thank you so much, Vine. You don't have an idea how much I was waiting to hear this. I'm happy that you didn't went for the separation and we sort out the things. Fine, first I was going for that, but you always show up at my doorstep and didn't let me go. And after that, I started seeing your change. That made me confused. But mom showed up, and I decided to give you a chance because when you were regretting, there was no mean to get separate. And moreover, that everyone deserved to get a chance, but this is the last chance. Jungkook, no, no, I was a fool back then, but not anymore. I won't repeat all that, I promise. Fine, you better not, Jungkook. After 1 month, Jungkook, what are you saying? Are you even in your sense? You regret on this marriage? Jungkook said being done, and then Charlie. Yes, I'm, because she don't even care about me and kids, and don't look at me like that. Your case was different than mine. You are a fool, but I'm not. Vine, he is right though. Jungkook was glaring at Charlie, looked at Vine being done. Jungkook chuckled and plastered a kiss on Vine's forehead. Charlie, oh come on, I'm having a problem here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.